Hey guys, my microwave doesn't work. Let me check. Open the door, close again. Let me press. Doesn't work. Okay. Let's check the plug if it's plugged right. It's plugged right. That's right. Try to use the wall plug-in. You see, this is my rice cooker. Let's check. It's not working either. So what's going on? It's plugged, but it's not working. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, the next step, we are here in our garage to check the breaker. As you can see, there's one that looks different. So they're in line, just this number 9. This one looks different. So we try to put this back, reset. It's too hard. Sorry guys, I'm not that strong. Okay, we will push this back. Try this again. Push back. There you go. So already put in place. Okay, we're checking the microwave. There you go. It's fixed now.